In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to log into your GoDaddy account. To begin with, open up your web browser. Direct it to the GoDaddy website, which is your starting point. Once you are on the website, your eyes should track to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a button marked Sign In, which you will need to click. This will open up the login panel where you're required to input your credentials. Next, you will be asked to provide your username or the customer number. Remember, your customer number is unique to you. It's like your identification within the GoDaddy universe. Once you've entered either of these details, the following step requires your password. Type this carefully into the designated box and take note of case-sensitive characters, if any. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to gain access to your account. That's it. You have successfully logged into your GoDaddy account. However, GoDaddy also provides you with alternative login options for your convenience. You can use your Amazon, Facebook, or Google account for signing in. These platforms are already linked to your GoDaddy account, making the login process quick and simple. Simply select the option you prefer and follow the prompts to sign in. There may be instances where you encounter issues while trying to log in. Fret not. I will guide you through the troubleshooting steps as well. If you're facing login issues, start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can often solve various login-related issues, as it gives your browser a clean slate to work from. Alternatively, you can try opening a private browser window to log in. This approach can circumvent potential issues with browser cookies by not using them at all. Now, double-check that you are using the correct credentials. Remember, you should be using your GoDaddy username and password, not the credentials for your professional email. It's an easy mix-up to make, but an important one to avoid. If you have forgotten your username, there's a recovery process that you can go through to retrieve it. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, or if your account is locked, you can reset your password with the help of the guided instructions provided. Lastly, it's important to check your two-step verification settings. This is an extra layer of security GoDaddy offers, and it might be preventing you from logging in if you have it set up but aren't following the necessary steps. And there you have it. That's the comprehensive guide on how to log into your GoDaddy account, navigating through alternative login options, and resolving common login issues. Rest assured with this knowledge, you're well equipped to access your GoDaddy account whenever you wish.